Beamlines facilities available at SESAME. SESAME will be exploited in up to 20 or more experiments operating simultaneously on independent beamlines, which will focus the synchrotron light on samples of materials. In the first phase, there will be 8 beamlines. These beamlines have been selected on the basis of input from 5 scientific workshops and the early users meetings in which several hundred Middle East scientists participated. On 70 proposals received, and joint meetings of the Scientific Advisory Committee of SESAME and the now defunct Beamlines Advisory Committee of SESAME. These beamlines including Infrared Spectromicroscopy Beamline. This beamline started hosting users on November 4, 2018. X-ray Absorption Fine Structure X-ray Fluorescence Spectroscopy Beamline. This beamline started hosting users on July 17, 2018. Materials Science X-ray Powder Diffraction Beamline. This beamline started hosting users on December 17, 2020. BEATS, Beamline for Tomography at SESAME. This beamline came into operation in 2023. HESABE, Helmholtz Sesame Beamline. This soft X-ray beamline came into operation in 2023. TESPS, Turkish Soft X-ray Photoelectron Spectroscopy, Beamline. This beamline is being constructed by a Turkish consortium led by TENMEK, Turkish Energy, Nuclear and Mineral Research Agency. It is the first beamline at SESAME to be designed and built by the national community of one of SESAME's members, Turkey. Macromolecular crystallography. This beamline is presently being designed, its construction is still to start. Small angle and wide angle X-ray scattering beamline. Plans for this beamline are yet to start.